Now the story of did you all get in here by force tonight? Because we heard there's going to be a lot of people just you know, coming into the show without giving anyone fair warning. I hope everyone was very nice to the door people, because, you know, those people, although they may appear surly, they're not. They're very sweet people. You know, it's just a bad reputation they have. How many of you people out there have ever worked a door somewhere? And were you surly? Yeah, well, see, it's just part of the job. It takes all kinds, that's right. Yeah, you know, it takes surly people and sordid people. And sordid people have to work the door. So this song is dedicated to the doorman. Hi, Mr. Doorman.
Ike.
Let's have a big hand for the doorman.
The doorman, yeah, hey. Woo! Guy's fucking huge.
He's big, he may be surly and sordid, but, you know.
And he's huge.
He's
huge. He's very huge. You gonna give me an intro, man?
So, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I'd like to introduce to you.
Once upon a time, in the wide, wide forest in the land of the not-so-smart, Chicken Little was making his merry way to market, whistling a tune. It's a pretty shitty tune, but it kept him happy as he went on his way to market. Now, well, as he was passing under the tallest tall tree in the wide, wide forest in the land of the not-so-smart, an acorn plummeted to earth, bashing him on the skull. Sounded something like that. Well,
there he goes. Down
now,
just like that.
Chicken Little
was huge.
Was, as you might expect from his name, a chicken that was very, very
huge,
small, tiny. And so when that acorn hit him on the skull, it knocked him flat out. And when he came to, he looked up and he saw the sky and he said, oh my, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. I must go tell the king. And off he went down that path in the wide, wide forest in the land of the not-so-smart.
And here's a song about it. Oh, sorry, I ruined that. Yeah, I ruined that intro. Sorry, that was fucked. I'm sorry. If I break my hand, gotta falling, gotta tell the king. The sky is falling and everything. The sun come down, tell us a story. The sun come down, tell us a long story. If I break my hand, break my hand, gotta tell the king. The sun come down and everything shine. Don't say it's a disaster. Think I sold my car We could get there faster if I take your hand. We could start walking if I kiss your mouth. We could stop talking if I break your heart. We could get there faster if I lost my mind. It's only faster if I break my hand. If I break my hand, we could get there faster. If I lost your mouth, we could get there faster. The sky is falling, gotta tell the king. The sun comes down, and everything shines. Don't say me. Lucky henny penny, cause you listen, chucky lucky. Chicken little lucky henny penny, cause you listen, chucky lucky. Chicken little lucky henny penny, cause you listen, chucky lucky. Chicken little lucky henny penny, cause you listen, chucky lucky. Little lucky henny penny, and Foxy Latte.
We can't hear, we gonna get without us. Onto my feelings, my problem with you is that I couldn't feel anymore. Can't you just
The sky is falling, wanna tell the king. The sky is falling, and everything. The sun come down, tell us the story. The sun come down, tell us a long story. If I break my hand, the sky is falling, wanna tell the king. The sun come down, and everything is shine. Oh, say, the sky is falling, gotta tell the king. The sky is falling, and everything. The sun come down, tell us a story. The sun come down, tell us a long story. Break my hand. The sky is falling, gotta tell the king. The sun come down, and everything shine. Don't say Sorry. Is by any chance Tom Jones in the house? Do we have? No. All right. How about We'd heard that Tom Jones was going to be here, and we were hoping maybe he would want to sit in or something.